Ben the Blue Bird counts to 10. One morning, Ben the Blue Bird flew out of the tree house and said, "What a beautiful day to count all of the things I see. Would you come count with me?" One blue bird sang in the tree, "Come count with me, just you and me." Two squirrels raced through leaves so high, chasing acorns as they zipped right by. Three buzzing bees hummed a song, working in the flowers all day long. Four little frogs hopped near the shore, splashing and giggling, then hopping some more. Five butterflies danced through the air, spreading colors everywhere. Six ants marched in a straight little line, carrying crumbs, working just fine. Seven turtles snapped in the sun, dreaming of swimming and having fun. Eight fireflies began to glow, lighting the forest in a twinkly show. 9 stars peeked out, way up high, twinkling gently in the sky. 10 sleepy creatures snuggled tight, whispering, "Good night, good night." The end.